Kids, hope you will be all okay. Today I brought a story Squeaky and the Missing Nurse. This is all about a squirrel. As you can see, squirrel is over here. Yep. And this story is written by your teacher, Sayyida Sabiha. Let's see what's inside. This is beautiful day. It was a cold winter day in the forest, and little Squeaky the squirrel was hopping from tree to tree. Snow covered the ground, making everything look white and sparkly. Squeaky's tiny nose wiggled as she sniffed the air. Oh no, she squeaked. I'm hungry and I can't find my nuts. Back in the spring, Squeaky had buried all her nuts all over the forest. She thought, I will need these for winter. But now that winter has was here and she couldn't remember where she had put them. Digging. Squeaky started digging. She dug under the big oak tree near her favorite rock. No nuts. She dug by the frozen pond where the ducks used to swim. Still, no nuts. She even dug in the meadow where the daisies grew in the summer. No nuts there either. Oh dear, Squeaky said, sitting on her fluffy tail. Where could they be? Robin to the rescue. Just then her friend Robin the bird flew down from the snowy branch. Why do you look so sad, Squeaky? Robin chirped. I can't find my nuts, Squeaky squeaked. I buried them in the spring, but now they are all gone. Robin fluffed up his feathers. Don't worry, Squeaky. I will help you look. Asking for help as Squeaky and Robin searched, more of their friends joined in. Hoppy the rabbit hopped over. I will help, he said, using his strong back legs to dig. Chirpy the chipmunk squared up. Maybe I have seen them, he said, checking under a pile of leaves. Even Patty the porcupine waddled over. I can poke around for you, she offered with a chuckle. A happy surprise. The friends searched and searched. They dug holes and checked bushes, but they still couldn't find Squeaky's nuts. Then, just as Squeaky was about to give up, Robin called out, Look over here! Robin had found a big hole under a tree, and inside were Squeaky's nuts, all safe and sound. You found them? Squeaky squealed, hopping up and down with joy. Sharing is caring. Squeaky was so happy to have her nuts back. But then she looked at all her friends who had worked so hard to help her. Thank you, everyone, Squeaky said. Let's share these together. So Squeaky and her friends sat under the tree, nibbling on the nuts and laughing together. The cold winter didn't feel so bad anymore because they had each other. And from that day on, Squeaky always remembered when you have friends, you are never ever alone. The end. I hope you all love this story. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And this is all the page. I made that for you to curl, get some time, and relax. Till the next story. Take care of yourselves. Bye.